Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to scrape the followers of any Instagram page. First, open the Instagram page you want to scrape and copy the username of that page. Then, open the MKT Insta software and go to the Scan Data feature. Select the Scan Follow Accounts tab. Paste the copied username into a note file and save it. Next, choose one account to scrape the followers from this target account. Set the number of followers you want to scrape. Then click Start and wait for the software to run. By scraping users on Instagram like this, you can use them for bulk DMs, or use other automation features to interact with users or comment on their posts to promote your products. After scraping, you can export the results into an Excel file for review. Okay, that's the end of the introduction to the feature for scraping followers of any Instagram user. If you need marketing software for multiple social media platforms, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp for consultation.